Hey, Andrew here from Turbo Ace. I wanted to quickly show you a really cool, nifty little innovation we came up with for the Allsteady 6. So we're going to be using a monopod today on the Allsteady 6. Let me show you how it works. Here's the gimbal, slightly modified with this top plate up here. It's the quick release plate, same style that we use on all of our gimbal accessories. So let me quickly show you. Allsteady 6 in action down below. So, you know, I'm shooting like this, ready to go. Turn it off. Flip it upside down here. And I still have the handlebars on, notice. And I'll be able to attach it to this monopod. There we go. There is the Allsteady 6 with the monopod kit conversion, and notice, you know, I can run and operate, shoot, do everything I would with the normal gimbal, but I have something to rest on here in between takes. I don't have to worry about bringing the tuning stand around. It's always here ready to shoot. You can also do pivots and pans with the monopod without worrying about the horizon. The gimbal's going to keep it level. So that's it, guys. Look out for the new attachment. It's going to work with all existing Allsteady 6s. You just replace this top bar. It's going to be a $50 piece, and you'll need the monopod and quick release plate. That's it, guys. Enjoy it.